Let us talk about why people ignore your outreach messages. Oftentimes if we're starting our accounting firm or bookkeeping services and we're not paying for advertisements, we'll generally, go to LinkedIn or to maybe Facebook, and we'll start reaching out to the market. So to people who we think could potentially use our services. And oftentimes when we reach out, we'll come at them just trying to promote our services, or in some cases trying to get to meet them. And we'll oftentimes get ignored. Now, that's a very, very, very real thing. And today, let's just talk about how to stop getting your messages ignored. Now, please keep in mind, you're never going to have a 100% reply rate, but you can have a pretty close. You can have about 85 to 90% reply rate. Okay? So the number one way to do that is first to talk about them. You start leading with that, people are going to start asking you what you do and how they can either support you or how they can use your services. It's the craziest thing. I started changing that and tweaking that when I first got started, and people started asking me, hey, how can I work with you? You seem like the only person who actually gets it. I've never been an accountant who actually gets it. And it's all because I just asked them a question about themselves. They started opening up, and they just saw that I actually cared about them and actually wanted to help them out as much as possible. Right, so start implementing that. You're going to get your messages either replied to or responded to more frequently. Okay. Now, if you've been struggling to attract clients to your accounting or your bookkeeping firm or practice, now we're generally missing a couple key steps. There are 5 things that we need to implement inside of our accounting and bookkeeping firm in order to consistently attract clients. Now, if you've been struggling with this, that means that there's probably a hole somewhere in those 5, and there's some things that are missing. Now, if you want, I can show you those things inside of our free community. I created a free community to be able to give you resources, tips, trainings, and tools for other accountants. Because when I first got started, it was terribly hard. It was incredibly hard, and there wasn't really a lot of people who were really willing to help. It wasn't that I didn't know other accountants. It was just oftentimes they would see us as competition in the local area, and they wouldn't really, give us the time of day to kind of show us how they started being more successful. But I wanted to kind of change that and start, paying it forward. So if you've been struggling, come and join Society's community, and I cannot wait to help you out and show you to start attracting clients to your bookkeeping or accounting practice or firm. Now, hopefully you have a great day. I can't wait to see you inside the community. Take it easy. Talk to you soon.